Japanese street bread, one of the most delicious bread. Looks so good, is very empty from inside as you see, and so delicious. You will love it, especially when it's hot. Let's do the most beautiful there. Half cup of water, half cup of sugar. That's it. It's kind of heavy syrup. When it starts boiling, we leave it like 3 minutes, maybe 4. I need heavy syrup. This is the point. You can mix until dissolve, and then you wait until boil. As you see, when it starts boiling, I keep 4 minutes. Then I keep aside to cool down. 1 cup of glutinous flour. You cannot use any type, only glutinous flour, and it's gluten free. Around 2 grams of salt and 2 grams of baking powder. And then we wait until the syrup is cool or becomes warm. 2 grams of baking powder. And you mix it. Now I'm waiting the syrup. When the syrup little bit cold, I added and I mixed the whole ingredients. Maybe need 1/4 cup of glutinous flour, just a little bit if you see it's needed. But if you wait 2-3 minutes, it will become a strong dough. You can see a little bit of like 2 spoons maximum, and then you have amazing dough. You can see the dough will be soft. Then I added 1 big spoon or medium spoon of oil. This is 1 spoon of oil, and that's it. This is the whole recipe. Half cup of water, half cup of sugar. You boiling like for 3 minutes. After that, 1 cup of glutinous flour. When the syrup is calm down, I mix it with 1 pinch of oil, 2 grams of salt, 3 grams of baking powder. Then you roll as round shape. You roll it all. You can see, normally they have filling. They have kidney beans filling, or you can do whatever filling you have. This is very important. I roll it with black sesame or white sesame, any kind of sesame you have. And you can see you press down. This is medium heat oil. It takes almost 8 minutes to have 1 round bread. Actually, it takes more than 7-8 minutes, and you make sure that you all the time stir it in 2 sides so you have amazing equal side golden bread. You can press down, it's like a sponge and becomes bigger again. You press down, it becomes bigger again, and that is amazing, really bread. I make some with white sesame and some with black sesame. And you can see the dough becomes 3 to 4 times the size of the raw dough. Here we go. Actually, it's very nice to play with this kind of. You can see you press down and you leave it, you put oil, boom, becomes bigger again. This is Japanese street bread. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friend. Tell us what you want we do next video. Be honest with us. We need to improve. Tell us your opinion. We respect all opinion of the people. Have a good day. Enjoy the Japanese bread. As my father always say, don't work harder, just work smarter. Train, 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 and then you are amazing chef.